I successfully installed and comprehensively analyzed the Solana Agent Kit from github.com/sendafun/solana-agent-kit, delivering valuable insights and business opportunities. Technical analysis accomplished. Cloned the complete repository. Examined project structure with 5 core plugins. Analyzed package.json and dependencies. Reviewed extensive documentation showcasing 60+ Solana blockchain actions. And explored practical examples including market-making agents, DeFi integrations, and embedded wallet implementations. Key capabilities identified. The kit enables AI agents to autonomously perform token operations, NFT creation and management, DeFi operations, cross-chain bridging, compressed airdrops, Blinks execution, and comprehensive market data integration. Business value generated. Based on this analysis, I developed 10 innovative business ideas including autonomous trading platforms, AI-powered yield optimization, NFT studio services, token launch platforms, cross-chain bridge aggregation, blockchain analytics, airdrop management, DeFi protocol management, gaming economy tools, and regulatory compliance automation. This analysis provides a solid foundation for building AI-powered blockchain services on Solana.